Hey guys, welcome back to Hashtag Straight Poop. I'm Larry Gerber, the barbecue man. Hey, you know what we're doing? We're doing something that the sushi guy that I bought before. It's marinated salmon skins that have been grilled, then removed from the flesh, chopped up any which way. I use a scissor. Marinated for 2 days in soy sauce, mirin, and hoisin. And this is what I got. And then you serve it over brown rice. It's delicious, man. Might look gross, but it's not, because gross food looks good, tastes good. So yeah, that's what we got here, man. And you'll see, you know, the skin sometimes doesn't completely come off the flesh, and that's okay too. So, just got some cannabis oil in here. About 5 tablespoons, whatever that comes out to be. And then I'm just browning it. It's already cooked. Okay, so I'm adding some garlic. And this great product I found, roasted ginger. My all-purpose squeezer is incapacitated right now because it happens to be in the dishwasher. I'm too lazy to empty it. All right. Incorporating all that, and raise that. When I add the garlic, I purposely lower the fire. I don't want to burn garlic, especially if I'm using cannabis oil or butter, because I don't want to have to redo it again. Yeah. Now the last thing, man. Tablespoon red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine, use whatever you got, but it makes the dish really much better. Use some vinegar in addition to the lime. I don't need salt. Okay? You need a grind. And I'm gonna turn that off. Yeah. Can't wait to dig into this, man. You know what? I don't need a fork because I know how to use chopsticks. Yep. So, let's chop our brown rice with our sushi salmon skins, teriyaki style. Let's see if I could straighten that out. Bet you I could. Yep. Like I say, I'm not a food stylist, but I do cook great food with cannabis, barbecue, and if it's too cold outside, we just do it here. Anyway, grab your free e-cookbook, okay? Go to the comment section and click the link at the top. It's pinned, okay? You'll get it in about 10 seconds, maybe 9, maybe the speed of sound, but you'll get it. Okay, so my dogs love having you here on Hashtag Straight Poop, so do I. And if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. So we'll see you next time on Hashtag Straight Poop. Hang loose.